So, I took the longest pee of my life after foot acupuncture. Like, is this ever going to end? Long. If that just happened to you, here's why it's actually pretty common and pretty normal. First, the nervous system shift. Acupuncture nudges your body into rest and digest mode, the parasympathetic system. Muscles loosen, blood vessels open up, and your bladder goes, right, time to actually empty. If you were tense before, you might have been holding a little without realizing. After the session, everything relaxes, and boom, record-breaking pee. Second, circulation and fluid moving around. Needles in the feet can boost blood flow in your lower legs. Fluid that was pooling in your ankles or feet moves back into your bloodstream. Your kidneys filter it, and you handle the paperwork. If you were a bit puffy, dehydrated earlier, or holding it, the switch can feel dramatic. Third, hormones and regulation. Acupuncture can help balance stress signals. Think cortisol and your autonomic system. When stress drops, your body stops clutching onto water. Less fight or flight, more let it go. That can mean a very decisive visit to the loo. Fourth, the simple one, hydration. Maybe you drank before or after, then lay still for 20 to 40 minutes. When you finally stood up, the bladder signal hit like a cymbal crash. Sometimes the obvious answer is the right one. Fifth, foot-specific points. In traditional acupuncture, the feet host points linked to the kidney meridian, bladder meridian, systems tied to fluid balance. Whether you see that as energy pathways or a nervous system reflex, the outcome can be the same: more urination. So, is it a problem? Usually, no. One epic pee right after a session is common, and honestly, a sign your body downshifted into calm and cleared house. When should you worry? If you notice burning or pain when you pee. If there's blood in your urine. If you feel severely dizzy or faint. Or if you're peeing excessively for days, not just once after treatment. That's the moment to call a clinician and get checked. Quick tips for next time. Sip water before and after, don't chug. Empty your bladder right before the session. Stand up slowly when you're done, and tell your acupuncturist what you felt. Small adjustments can help. So, if your post-acupuncture pee felt like a full-length feature film, you're not alone. Your body likely hit relax mode, moved fluid, and finally let go. Annoying? Maybe. Weird? A little. But for most folks, totally normal and kind of a win.